Here we find the modulus and principal value of the amplitude of the complex number. Here two complex numbers are given, and we use to find the modulus and amplitude of complex number, we use the polar form of complex number, and this is z, this is equal to r into cos theta plus I sin theta. Okay, and this r, this is known as modulus of z, and it is denoted by mod z. This is r, and it is obviously always greater than 0. Okay, and this theta, that is the angle, is said to be principal value of the amplitude. This is denoted by amp z. This is equal to theta when the range of theta is lies between minus pi to pi. Okay, now we take here the first problem. Z, this is equal to, we write this is 1 minus cos square theta minus I sin theta cos theta, and 1 minus cos square theta means sin square theta minus I sin theta cos theta, and this is given by sin theta into sin theta minus I cos theta. Now this range, the given range is very important for this problem. Here the range is 0 to pi. So this is theta equal to 0, and here theta, this is equal to pi. So the range is this. That is the first and second quadrant. And we know that this is the quadrant of all trigonometrical ratio, and this is the quadrant of sin theta. Hence sin theta is positive in this range. Okay, so we take, this is the modulus of the complex number. Okay, and it is denoted by z or mod z. So mod z is given by sin theta, because sin theta is greater than 0 in the given range, 0 less pi, 0 less theta less pi. Now to determine the principal value of amplitude, we write this term in the form of cos theta plus I sin theta, and it is done by as sin theta into, this is cos of pi by 2 minus theta minus I sin of pi by 2 minus theta. Okay, because cos of pi by 2 minus theta, this is sin theta, and sin of pi by 2 minus theta, this is cos theta. Now to get this is positive, we transfer this term as sin theta into cos of theta minus pi by 2 plus I into sin of theta minus pi by 2, because we know that sin minus theta, this is equal to minus theta minus sin theta, and cos of minus theta becomes cos theta. Okay, now to test the range of theta minus pi by 2. Here theta is given by this, so theta minus pi by 2 means 0 minus pi by 2 less theta minus pi by 2 less pi minus pi by 2. So we get minus pi by 2 less theta minus pi by 2 less, this is also pi by 2, and clearly this range on the principal value range, because minus pi less than minus pi by 2 less than theta less than pi by 2 less equal to pi. Okay, so this is the value of principal amplitude, and we say that amplitude of z, this is given by theta minus pi by 2. So the answer of the first problem is mod z and amp z. These two are the answer of the first problem, and second problem is your home task, and please write the answer of the second problem in comment box of this video. Okay, thank you for watching.